Hey Christina, I wanted to give you a little update on something I've been working on that we had talked about quite a while ago. So back over the summer you had asked me about if there's any automated way to make a graphic program in Revit, kind of like what's on the screen here. So I've been working on that, worked on it a while ago, and just finally made a couple of tweaks to it that I think really get it into a good place. It's not finished yet, but I thought it's worth kind of showing and talking about. So I took what was on your graphic program and kind of just remade it into an Excel file, and then also just added a couple of additional rooms in here just to demonstrate an extra department and some other features. So it just has the room name, how many of them, the size, the department, and then if that wants to be something other than a square, like a maximum size of a room, you can do max width or max height in here. So once I have my Excel file, I'm just going to save it out as a CSV file, which is a format that the program can read. I'm just going to overwrite the file that I already had. And then in Revit, I added this tab to my Revit. We can install this on other people's machines. It's not a problem. And then it adds this button. This button runs the program and accesses that file. We can add stuff in there to change out the CSV file or whatever on command. So you click that button, and it just automatically generates this this graphic program. Again, it's not perfect. It doesn't quite fit everything in here, but it does, I think, a lot of the work of just making those boxes the right size and everything. These are all just filled regions and text. This is all just drafted, so you can do it in any view at all. It doesn't make Revit rooms or anything, it just makes a graphic for it. And then if you want to build other Revit things on top of that, you can do it. So just to demonstrate that, that it's pretty flexible, if we go back to our CSV file and we change, the number of bedrooms from, 20 to 50 or something, and we change the size of the hazardous materials from 300 to 3,000 to make two of them for whatever reason, and they're a max height of 60. We'll just save that. I'm just going to undo in Revit what I had done, and when I click the button again, it rereads the file, rereads the CSV file, and makes a brand new program. So you can see it has all the updated numbers and sizes of everything, and just does it that quick. So let me know what you think. It's a work in progress, so there's a lot more to do on it. And depending on how you want things to work, we could change it around to add other features or rearrange things or do them in a certain order or something like that. So but I thought it was a good enough stage just to kind of get the concept going and see what features you thought would be the most useful to have next. So let me know what you think. I'll talk to you soon.